Hi guys! In this video, ituturo ko sa inyo step by step kung paano kayo makakaipon ng around 50,000 in just 3 months without saying no sa mga aya ng mga friends mo or depriving yourself. Hi guys! Tony here and I am here to teach you everything you need to know about money. Money hacks, money tricks, tips, investing, saving, lahat ng alam ko ituturo ko sa inyo. So don't forget to click the subscribe button and the like button and yung doorbell sign dyan para lagi kayong updated sa mga videos ko. Hindi po ito tutorial ng money challenge. Hindi po ako fan ng money challenge actually. Hindi ko rin po kayo pipigilang wag bumili ng mga bagay-bagay. This is more of paano kayo makakaipon ng parang automatic na lang or hindi nyo namamalayang lumalaki na pala ang pera nyo. These tips that I will show you will make you see how easy it is to save money without depriving yourself. Quick background lang po kung paano ako umabot sa ganito. Hindi naman po ako super yaman or mayaman. It's just, umabot na ako sa point na sobrang walang-wala na ako. Zero na yung bank account ko. Actually, negative pa dahil nangutang na ako sa business ko. And sobrang down ko noon. And sabi ko sa sarili ko, if I bounced back from this, hindi na ako ulit sa ganitong state financially. So that's why I'm also teaching you guys how to save, to earn, and to grow your money para hindi rin kayo umabot sa point na ganon. Lesson to keep in mind bago tayo magsimula is it does not matter kung gaano kaliit or gaano kalaki yung sahod mo. What matters is how much you keep. Believe me, kahit gaano kalaki or gaano kaliit yan, lalaki at lalaki yan kung marunong kang humawak ng pera. Lesson number 1 is download a money managing app. This app will help you track how much you are spending, how much is coming in, is coming out. That is very important, especially when you're trying to build your wealth. Usually, isipin mo na, may ganito pa ako. Feeling ko, kaya ko pang gumastos today. Think of it as like, nag-exercise ka to gain or to lose weight. Diba? Kailangan mo siyang matrack. Tinatrack mo weekly, daily, kung gaano karami yung kinakain mo, gaano na lose mo within this week or na-gain mo within this week. It goes the same with money. You have to always keep track on how you are doing, if you are progressing or not. Kahit na paminsan iisipin na lang natin na, feeling ko may ganyan pa ako. Kaya ko pang gumastos today ng ganito. Ganyan ako dati, believe me. Pero, our mind tricks us na, bawiin ko na lang next time. Bayaran ko na lang sarili ko next time. Mas maganda talaga kung namomonitor mo and nakikita mo kung nasan ka na financially. Iba siya pag nakita mo sa phone mo kung, I need to find a way how to make this extend for 1 more week or I need to figure out a way kung paano ako makakita ng extra money today or you get to see, I did good this week. Tuloy ko nga next week. Diba? It's the same logic. There are a lot of money managing apps out there. So, merong Wally, may Wallet, may Piggy pa ata, but I'm not so sure. There are different types based on your preference. Personally, I use this app called Wallet. This is not a sponsored ad. It's really what I use. I like it because it's very straightforward and I can make different types of accounts. So I'll show you quickly kung paano nag-work yung wallet. Okay, so let's open my wallet. So if you can see, it says here all accounts. So lahat po ng accounts ko, obviously nandyan. So I have 2 types of accounts. So I have the cash and this is like my investment. Negative pa siya. It's a new business that I'm starting. Pero you can add a lot more. So, very basic naman siya. All you have to do is click the plus sign if may entry kayo. So, it says there, expense, income. Pwede mong piliin yung options, what it is. Ayan, food, drink, shopping. And then, you can edit the date. You can put the note kung ano man yun, kung may specific kayong gustong sabihin, just to remember anything. So, here naman, just to keep track of everything, you have your reports. So, you'll get to see how you are doing. So, negative 2,000 na yung cash flow. I think this is because mixed siya, so I've started an investment. Kaya, nag-explain. Pero, ayan. You can see if you're doing good. February. Nandito din yung categories that will determine basically kung ano yung pinagagastusan mo. So, later on, you'll realize na, oh, I'm spending a lot on others. I'll cut on it next time, or in transportation, or in food and drinks. Ayan. And then, same with the reports. The balance. So, you had your beginning, your end, from March, February. Lahat ng gusto mong makita, nandyan na. So, it's a very, very easy app. There are a lot of different other apps that you can try. I have tried them also, pero for me, this really works for me because I have a lot of accounts. Lesson number 2 is pay yourself first. I know sa Filipino tradition, it's the other way around na bayaran ko muna yung bills ng bahay, bayaran ko muna yung parents ko bago ako. But isn't it better that you work on yourself first? You grow yourself. Tapos kapag malaki na yung kaya mong ibigay, mas marami kang mabibigay sa kanila. I'm not saying na wag mo silang bibigyan ever. All I'm asking is pay yourself first. It does not have to be big. Personally, I save up 10% of whatever I get or whatever I earn and then keep it. Don't touch it, just keep it. And then the remaining of your money, the 90%, use it at your free will, pambayad sa bills, pambayad sa parents, pambayad kung saan man. So 10% for yourself, and the rest, the 90%, goes to whatever you want to use your money. Lesson number 3, create separate accounts for different goals. Why? Because if you put everything in one place, believe me, magagastos at magagastos mo siya. Yung dapat na budget for this thing, na over budget ka sa isa, kulang na yung isang thing na pinag-iipunan mo. It's like buying a tub of ice cream. Sabi mo, I'll make this last a week. Nilagay mo sa ref. Believe me, knowing na nandyan lang siya, kakainin at kakainin mo siya. So eventually, yung 1 week mo naging 3 days, 4 days. So, don't trust your mind na sabihin ng mind mo, kaya kong i-allot tong budget na to for everything that I want. No. Because your mind tricks you. So, how do we separate our accounts? So, kung marami kang bank accounts, you can allot one for each goal. Pero, for me, what I did, I used to have these envelopes, white envelopes, tas nakasulat doon kung ano yung goal na yon. And then, every time I earn something, I put something there. And it's fixed. Like, my savings, in-explain ko kanina na 10%. So, the savings envelope gets 10% every time I earn. I also have an investment. But now, I use this. I've upgraded. I'll show you in the link below kung saan to nakukuha. You can have this personalized based on whatever your goals are. As you can see, this is my travel fund. This is my savings fund, wants, and investment fund. So, the rule is, kapag may ganito ka, since na-separate mo na siya, kung ano man yung laman dito, yun lang yung gagastusin mo. So, let's say I go out to travel this month, yung mga nakalagay lang dito, yun lang yung pwede kong gastusin. I cannot get from my investment. I cannot get from my savings fund. So, everything I put here, yun lang yung budget ko to travel. So, I'm not depriving myself to travel, but I'm going on whatever I have. Diba? So, aside from actually having this, I also have this. This is not really my travel fund, but this is like my backup to my savings account. So, yung savings ko, which is in my card, my backup na savings dito, and then I also have another backup to the backup of my savings account. So, parang sure na sure ako. So, I'll also link where to get these coin banks. They're pretty cool na pwede mo siyang kunin, pero wag. Just in case na mapuno na, you can easily get your stuff, your money. Okay? So, the thing about having different accounts is that at least you know how much you are spending or how much yung pwede mong gastusin for that account. So, hindi ka matetempt na sirain yung buong savings mo just to buy something. At least you know up to where you can go. Diba? Lesson number 4 is go minimal. I'm not saying you throw out everything you have right now or wag ka nang bumili ng mga excessive things. No. If you want to buy something, think of these 2 things before purchasing anything. So this is my top 2 rules before buying anything. Okay? So, rule number 1 is, do I really need this? Let's say, merong bagong release na iPhone. Sabi mo, oh my God, ang ganda ng iPhone na to. But, you still have your phone. It's still working. So, do you really need to buy a new phone? If you said yes, I'm sorry. Huwag mo siyang bibilhin. Kasi gumagana pa siya. So, why would you need a new phone, right? So, that's number 1. The second rule before purchasing anything is to ask yourself, can I afford this? My rule number 2, I have another rule. So rule number 2, which is, if I can't afford it to pay in cash, hindi ko siya bibilhin. I don't want to buy via loans or mangungutang ako. The simplest rule is, if you don't have money to buy it, and by money I mean cash, don't buy it. Huwag kang mangutang. That's a very big no-no. Rule number 2 is, if you don't have the money for it, if you can't pay it in cash, don't buy it. Believe me, it works. So all of the things I have now, actually, I have bought in cash. So that's a little motivation for you na to save for what you want. And if you can't buy it from your wants fund, don't purchase it. Alright, that's it. I hope you learned a lot and I hope makakaipon na kayo ng napakarami. You can easily earn that 50,000 in 3 months or maybe less. So if you like this video, click on the like button and don't forget to please click the subscribe button and yung bell sign. I hope to see you again soon. Bye!